Ladies and gentlemen, let me speak. No longer will we tolerate blacks just being murdered unarmed. We need to have a zero tolerance for this. It's time for us to wake up. Say something. Do something. Move something. Wake up something.
At this historic moment, we are standing in the place of those who could not make it here today. We are standing on the blood of our ancestors. We are standing on the blood of those who died in the Middle Passage, who died in the fields and swamps of America, who died hanging from trees in the South, who died in the cells of their jailers, who died on the highways, and who died in the fratricidal conflict that rages within our community. We are standing on the sacrifice of the lives of those heroes, our great men and women. We are against racism, sexism, anti-Semitism, anti-Arabism, anti-immigrantism. We are a humane people. We fight for justice and fairness. And then when you leave this place, tell them I'm somebody. I'm God's child. I was not brought here to be a slave. I was sent here by God to save the human race. Tell them we'll leave this place with a new mindset. We'll leave this place with a new unity. That blacks don't have to bear this cross alone. And if they cut it welfare or food stamps, according to books written on Washington, D.C., slaves used to be brought right here on this mall in chains to be sold up and down the eastern seaboard, right along this mall, going over to the White House. Our fathers were sold into slavery. But George Washington, the first president of the United States, said he feared that before too many years passed over his head, this slave would prove to become a most troublesome species of property.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust.